Hello friends, how are you? So here I am making the smoke effects in Flash in very easy way. First of all, select to the pen tool, make some little what you know smoky kind of graphics here. Okay, great, good. So I have made this one. Now fill some gradient color. Go to the pen bucket tool and you can find this gradient tool here. I can fill this gradient color. I don't require outline. Press delete the outline. If you want to work with the gradient toolbar better, you can go there and you can find here. Click on this bucket, make it alpha. If you click on this, click on the first one, make it alpha. Sorry. So simple. The first step I have made this graphics smoke simple graphics. If you want to work on that, very easily you can work on this. Okay, graphics. Now second step, right click, create the shape twins. Okay, press somewhere in the 80 F6. Okay, now go to the first frame. Though first I have made the smoke, second I have pressed the shape twins, third one right click. Okay, third one the shortcut I will tell you. Click on the first and press Control Alter H, Control Alter H. Okay, I'll tell you that. Press here, go to the first frame, Control Shift H, press. Once you will press the Control Shift H, you can find this. Press A here, again Control Shift H, press B, Control Shift H. This is C, Control Shift H. This is D. So I have pressed the A, B, C, D here. Same shape hints you can automatically find into the last frame, and you have to press same place. In the 80, here I find. So D, press here, C, same place. Now have you seen this become the green? It's mean we are working, the shape hints are matching same. Again D is this is B is red. Once I will same press in the same place, it will become the green. A, this one. Okay, now I want the same. Have you seen this A B C D and A B C D same? Shape hints are there. Now again go to the first frame and press Ctrl Shift H. You can find E here somewhere. Ctrl Shift H, F here somewhere. Again go to the same frame, F, but in this frame you have to press somewhere else. This someplace like this one. According to your animation you can also change. So once you will change, it will creating this effects. Now again go to the first frame and let me try another one. Suppose this is first. In the second frame, click here, Control Shift H, and E press somewhere here. Let me see. No. So you can track somewhere like the upper side. Okay, great. Let's check this. Simple. It's a very easy and way to make the shape hints. So again I am repeating this all the thing. First of all, make the shape graphics, smoking shape graphics first, then create the shape here, shape things, and third one press in the first frame, Control Shift H. Okay, and make the shape hints in first and second one. If you find another extra keyframe, right click on that one, right click on that. Suppose in here I want to remove this, right click and you can remove shape hints. So it's very easy way to make the shape smoky effects. Control Enter. You can try and send me. Thank you so much.